Hi, today we'll draw a straight line graph y equals to 2x plus 5. So before we begin, let's refer to our straight line equation y equals to mx plus c. So if we compare between the two equations, we know that the gradient m is equals to 2 and the y-intercept is equals to c or 5. So with these two information available, we can actually draw a simple sketch, or we can understand that the y-intercept will cross the vertical axis at the point 5, and gradient equals 2 means the straight line will look something like this, sloping upwards. Okay, so with this in mind, let's try to draw the graph over here using the information we have. So before we begin, let's try to write down the title of the graph of y equals to 2x plus 5. Okay, so the next thing is we'll construct a table to list the points that we want to plot. Okay, so for a straight line, we should have a minimum of 3 points. If you have more points, it will be more accurate, although it may not be necessary. So using this, let's try to plot the points for maybe x equals to -1, x equals to 0, and x equals to +1. Okay, so by substituting the value inside, what we'll see is, let's say y equals to 2 or -1 plus 5. So if we evaluate this, -2 plus 5 is 3. So y is equals to 3. Okay. The next thing is, what we are going to do is we are going to substitute the value of y is equals to 0. Okay, y equals to 0. So when x equals to 0, sorry, y is equals to 5. So we write down this value on the table here. And finally, if we have the value x is equals to 1, we'll have the value y is equals to 2 plus 5, which is 7. Okay, so we write this down onto the table. So we are now ready to start plotting the curve. Okay, so let's try to plot the curve over here using the table that we have. Okay, so with this in mind, let's draw a horizontal axis. So let's draw the horizontal axis over here. Horizontal axis. So in this case, the horizontal axis, let's label it as x. Okay, let's draw the vertical axis. Let's maybe draw it over here. You should use a ruler to draw this horizontal and vertical axis. Okay, so let's label it y-axis. So if x and y axis is mine, or let's label the origin. In this case, origin is here, and we are going to start plotting the points. So x equals to -1, 0, and 1. So we have 3 points that we have to plot. So let's make this equals to your -1 over here, and your x equals to 1 over here. Okay, so this is your x and y, x -1 and x plus 1. So the next thing is we're going to plot the y points. So the first point, we remember when x is 0, y is 5. So we are going to have a total of, let's say, 5 points. 5 points. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x is equals to 5. So we'll have a point over here. Let's use a different color to indicate the points. So let's call this the point for x 0, y 5. So this point indicated in red cross here. Then the next point we're going to plot is the x is -1, y is 3. So when x is -1, y is 3. So let's call this 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. So this is your x equals to 1, x equals to -1, y equals to 3, which is this point over here. and the third point will be x is 1, y equals to 7. Okay, so x is 1, y equals 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be your x equals to 1, y equals to 7. So with the 3 points in mind, we can actually draw a straight line curve to the 3 points. Okay, using a straight line, using a straight ruler, you can draw a straight line across the 3 points over here. Okay, so this will be your graph of y equals to 2x